Hello, today we are going to see how we can multiply and divide the negative numbers. So for multiplication and division of the negative numbers, we have only two rules. If the signs are the same with the numbers, then our answer would be positive, and if the signs are the opposite, then our answer is going to be negative. Okay, let's have few of the examples for the negative numbers. Suppose I have 2 multiply by 4, 2 multiply negative 4, negative 2 multiply negative. Okay, in all of the three cases, I have to look a sign with the question. The 2, 4 time is both are positive. 2 is positive, 4 is positive. It's going to next question. 2 multiplied by negative 4. 2 is positive, 4 is negative. So it's going to be 2 is positive, 4 is negative. This means I have the opposite signs. And if the signs are different, answer would be negative. So it's going to be negative 8. In the third question, 2 has a negative sign and 4 also has a negative sign. So both have the negative sign. This means that the signs are same. So my answer is going to be positive in this case. Going to be positive 8. Now we are going to work on to some examples of the division of the number. Alright. In the first case, 8 has a positive sign. 2 also has a positive sign. So 8 divided by 2 is going to give me 4. In the second case, 8 has a negative sign and 2 has a positive sign. So one has a negative, other has a positive. This means we have the opposite signs, we have the different signs. It's going to give me negative 4. In the third example, 2 has a negative sign, 8 also has a negative sign, right? I mean 8 and 2 both are having the negative sign and both have the same signs in this case. So same sign means my answer is going to be positive. So it's going to be 4.